He's gonna chew on the seat.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Really?
I want you to giggle like you did before. See Eva? You want to go jump over there? Jump.
She's not even in there. She's gonna jump like crazy.
Eva, look. Jump, jump, jump. Are you hungry?
Are you just gonna eat that seat, Eva? I can't even see your face. That giraffe's in the way. There's your face. What are you doing? Are you kissing that lion? He's like, I'm just gonna hang out. Oh, hey, that was kind of a jump.
Yeah. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, yeah.
You done?